All right, so today I'm gonna get this Gigabyte off and I'm gonna get the memory temps down on it. And I'm also gonna look at this MSI one. Something's going on, it's getting warm. Memory temps are low, but the core is hot. I have to look at that. But yeah, let me go pull this thing off. I'm gonna replace the thermal Grizzlies that I got on there with the thermal Odyssey Extremes. So see the difference. I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, here we got the Gigabyte OC 3080 non-LHR. I don't know if you can see it, but this thing is filthy. So no wonder it's overheating. Plus, we're gonna take off these thermal Grizzly thermal pads and put on these Extreme Odyssey thermal pads. We got 2 mil for the front, 3 mil for the back. All right, let's get into this. Also, you might want to draw yourself a little graphics card diagram so you can mark where you pulled the screws. They're probably all different. All right, let's get into this bad boy. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You got 10 screws. All right, got all the screws out. Now I know there's two wires here, and I believe there's gonna be one more somewhere right here. This one's right here is the more difficult one to get once you separate the card. So you got your 2 and then your 1. This is probably the one you're gonna want to get first. Best to get these little tweezers. You can just pull these ones off, just wiggle them a little bit. She's filthy. All right. You know what? Now I'm starting to think it does have thermal odysseys on there. And they just are done. I'm wondering what they are in the back. They're thermal grizzlies. I guess we'll find out. Just change everything. All right, now we clean this. We're gonna clean this thing up real quick on the front, then we're gonna move to the back. Save these thermals so I can measure them again. All right, now we separate. Just have to tug a little harder, I guess, you guys. 3 mils, we're gonna put them on the back. All right, we're gonna put it back together real quick. Back's done. Took out 5 screws, you put back 5 screws. So you're gonna want to hook up the fans first, because once you get this thing overhead, you're not gonna be able to, unless you got an extra hand. That'd be good. All right, that's it. A little bit cleaner. Let's get her on there and see what she's doing. All right, here's the results. It's GPU number 2. It's 47 and 76. It's doing better than the other ones. So apparently they were already actually extreme odysseys on there, and looks like the pads are only good for a year. It's gonna be like an oil change. you're just gonna have to keep doing it. But I guess that's good enough for summer. Maybe once every summer you'll have to do thermals, because once you go through the winter, it's pretty cool already. You don't have to worry about the temps being high. Something's kind of going on with my little MSI card now. But I just got these 2 Founders cards left. Those will be the next 2 I'm gonna do, and I'll see you then, guys. Thanks for watching.